In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a channel private in Slack. Making a channel private is really useful when you need to limit access to sensitive conversations, such as HR topics, early project plans, or anything that shouldn't be visible to everyone in your workspace. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where to click and what to look out for, so you can confidently change a public channel into a private one. First, open Slack on your desktop or in your browser and navigate to the channel you want to make private. In this example, the channel is called New Channel, but in your workspace, it could be any channel you're working with. Make sure you actually select that channel from the sidebar so that its conversation view is open in the main window. Once you're inside the channel, look towards the top right of the screen. You'll see a small icon with 3 vertical dots, sometimes called the More menu. Go ahead and click on those 3 dots. This menu contains several options that let you manage the channel. From the menu that appears, look for the option that says Open Channel Details and click it. This will open a panel, usually on the right-hand side of your screen, that contains all the information and settings for this specific channel, including its members, integrations, and configuration. Inside the Channel Details panel, you'll see a few tabs, such as About Members and Settings. Click on the tab labeled Settings. This is where you can adjust how the channel behaves and who can see it. Under the Settings tab, scroll until you find the option that says Change to a Private Channel. This is the control that will convert your public channel into a private one. Click on Change to a Private Channel. Slack may show a short explanation here, reminding you that once a channel is made private, it cannot be switched back to public, and only invited members will be able to see the content. A confirmation window will appear